So why is high to low, lookout below drilled into a pilot's brain? It's because your altimeter will lie to you when the pressure changes and the altimeter setting is not updated. So when you're flying from an area of, say, low pressure into high pressure and you don't update your altimeter setting, your indicated altitude will read lower than your true altitude. So in other words, the airplane is actually higher than the altimeter says. So your altimeter is simply a barometer calibrated in feet, and it assumes the pressure around the airplane matches the pressure you have set in the Colsman window. But if the outside pressure increases and you haven't adjusted that setting, the instrument senses what it thinks is a descent, even though you haven't actually changed altitude. So this is where it can become dangerous. So this is why we always update the altimeter setting when we receive a new ATIS, or the altimeter setting when we're talking to ATC, especially on long cross-country flights where the pressure changes can really happen. So FAA test prep question: when flying from an area of low pressure to high pressure without updating the altimeter setting, what happens to the indicated altitude? Does the indicated altitude be higher than true altitude? Is indicated altitude lower than true altitude? Or does the altimeter just become unreliable and random? So the answer is the middle one, right? The indicated altitude will be lower than the true altitude.